Got a new video for you. This video is going to be on Lasoride. Lasoride is made by Sanofi Group of Pharmaceutics. The chemical compound in Lasoride is furosemide and amiloride HCl. It is a diuretic and the price for one box is 151 rupees. The box has 30 tablets in it. Amiloride is used with other water pills, diuretics to treat high blood pressure, heart failure or extra fluid in the body. Amiloride also helps to treat or prevent low blood potassium levels caused by other diuretics. Lowering high blood pressure helps prevent strokes, heart attacks and kidney problems. Amiloride is called a water pill and causes your body to get rid of extra salt and water while also preventing the kidneys from getting rid of too much of potassium. Take this medication by mouth with food, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. If you take this drug too close to bedtime, you may need to wake up to urinate. Therefore, it is best to take this medication at least 4 hours before your bedtime. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Keep taking this medication even if you feel well. Most people with high blood pressure do not feel sick. Tell your doctor if your condition does not improve or it worsens. Some of the side effects of this medication are headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, gas, diarrhea, etc. When given with other diuretics, amiloride may cause a loss of too much body water and salt minerals. Tell your doctor right away if you have any of these unlikely serious symptoms of dehydration or mineral loss like dry mouth, excessive thirst, muscle cramps, weakness, confusion, etc. Some precautions that we should take are that we should avoid other prescription drugs which interact with this amiloride. During pregnancy, this medication should not be used only when clearly needed. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. I hope you like the video and please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.